Zombie apocalypse.
Hello everyone, and here I am with the preparation of biryani. I'm going to light the stove. I'm keeping this cooker on the stove, and here I have two boiled eggs. So let me take it out. This is a purely homemade biryani. So here I have chopped tomatoes and onions. Here I have basmati rice and the biryani paste. You can get these three ingredients in this package. Yes, Chettinadu Basmati Biryani from Aachi. So let's do this. Here I added some 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then I added the spice. And out it for a minute. Then we are ready to add these onions. Hold a minute. Okay. I just added the onion and wait until it turns a bit brown, golden brown. And I also added chopped tomatoes and just wait a minute. After that we will add this one, the biryani paste, masala or whatever. Time to add biryani paste. Please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Yes, I do a lot of stuff: cooking, bike riding, gaming, aquarium, drone shooting, and a lot of other stuff. So show your support by subscribing. Very simple. Let's give it a good mixing. Already I can smell a good aroma of this biryani paste. You have to do this in the cooker itself because you are going to add rice directly. So now also I will going to add these two boiled eggs. Biryani just for myself. So 2 eggs enough. I just added these 2 eggs. Keep sauteing for 2 minutes in a low flame. Time to add a bit of salt. Okay. Now I think I can add rice and water. I am adding a cup of water. And a cup of basmati rice. Wait a minute, I forgot to wash this. Rice got good washing and ready to get it. So let's start this. Okay, everything is set. Uh, Now just put the washer in and seal the cooker. Okay, cooker is sealed in and waiting for the whistle. So see you after the whistle. Okay, it's about to blow whistle now. Already one done and waiting for one more. So come on. That's enough, I think. This is the first time preparing biryani like this, so come on God, please make it all right. Okay, and it's done. I'm ready to take it out. Let's see what's happened. Oh yes, okay. Time to taste the biryani. The rice grains are just perfect. You can see the long grains. Okay, so make sure you try this at home, and if you like it, please like my video, share it, comment or subscribe. Yeah, of course, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.